Okey, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sebelum kita mulakan program kita pada pagi ini, kita buka dengan bacaan Ummul Kitab. Semoga Allah memberkati program kita, ikut program kita ini. Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Amin, amin. I would like to remind all attendees to mute your mic throughout the session, and if you have any question, type in the chat box and I'll address the speaker at the end of the talk. Also, we'd like to remind whoever wanted to apply a new grant, a new FRGS grant, please check if you have submitted the previous grant progress report or final report through my grant website. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all attendees. On behalf of the NCPI office, I would like to welcome everyone to UiTM FRGS 2023 Drive webinar series. This webinar series is a joint collaboration between Renew and RMC UiTM. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Hadi Razak, Coordinator of Cyber Technology Research Nexus UiTM Renew, and I'll be your moderator for today's online seminar. Okay, today we are fortunate to have Professor Technologist Dr. Jasni Mohamad Zain as our guest speaker. Okay, before I would like to invite Prof, I would like to share Prof Jasni brief background. Okay, Professor Technologist Dr. Jasni Mohamad Zain received her bachelor degree in computer science from University of Liverpool, England in 1989, and PhD from Brunel University, West London in 2005. She started her career as a tutor in 1997 at University Technology Malaysia, UiTM, and she currently holds the post of Director of Institute for Big Data Analytics and Artificial Intelligence, IBDAAI, UiTM Shah Alam. She was the Deputy Director, Cyber Technology Research Nexus UiTM Renew, and the Head of Advanced Analytics and Engineering Center, AAEC. She was the Dean of Faculty of Computer System and Software Engineering, University Malaysia Pahang, UMP for 8 years. And she's been actively presenting papers, keynote addresses at national and international conferences. Her research interests include data mining, research watermarking, image processing, and network security. She has graduated 15 PhDs and 6 Master by Research under her supervision and published more than 100 refereed articles. She also has patent file for digital watermarking. A very intensive background, Prof. Okay, Prof. I do not like to take much further time. So without further ado, I would like to invite Prof. Jasni to give her speech, which today is entitled "Do's and Don'ts in Writing Research Proposal." Okay, Prof. Jasni, the floor is all yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Hadi, for your kind introduction. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, semua yang berada di talian sekarang ni, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Renew for inviting me to share my experience in writing FRGS proposal. I can see that we have Prof. Liza. Prof. Liza ni sifu juga ni. Sifu saya ni. Bolehlah tolong bantu-bantu Kalau
Assalamualaikum Prof. Jasni.
nampak Prof. Liza ada tu. Thank you. Nampak. Kita tengok-tengok tadi. Okay, so she has more experience than me in evaluating FRGS proposals. She may have seen more proposals than me. So nanti maybe we can, she can help me lah kalau ada apa-apa tambahan lah daripada sini, insyaAllah. So what I will do today, very simple. So I will introduce about FRGS, Do's and don'ts is what basically I will tell you about the do's lah. The don'ts tu is apa yang bertentangan daripada situ adalah don'ts lah. Because of the title, so maybe we will see lah kan later what we should do and what we should not do for the application. And then I will share my own application. We will go through my grant punya apa ni form tu, and then we will see lah apa yang saya cakap ni and what's on the form itself dalam my grant tu kan. How does it look like? How do you write it on the form and so on lah. Okay. So, and then we go on to summary of what the talk is about today. So first of all is about the grant FRGS. So we have to follow this garis panduan skim geran penyelidikan fundamental pindaan tahun 2021. So masih lagi berkuat kuasa yang inilah, tak ada lagi garis panduan yang baru kan. Okay, so daripada JPT you can download this and read all the syarat-syarat ya untuk permohonan skim geran FRGS. So nama dia pun Fundamental Research Grant Scheme kan. So the research must be seen as fundamental. You have to do fundamental research. And usually kita akan apply for our Masters by Research or PhD student to do this research. Okay, nanti kita tengok bahagian budget nanti. Okay, alright. Then one important thing that you should look at before you write is apakah impact of your research to this you will write in the proposal later. So the domain that we are talking about today is ICT domain lah ya. And then we should also identify kita punya cluster mana, nanti tengoklah cluster yang boleh dipilih. And then the impact on the socio-economic drivers. Yang ni yang my STIE 1010 tu. And then we have KEGA, Key Economic Growth Activities, and also how your proposal or how your research project will impact on the Sustainable Development Goals ataupun SDG. Okay, so ini semua perlu difikirkan lah. You have to think about all these areas and make sure how you write, how your research will impact all these 6 or 5 things. Okay, domain, cluster, socio-economic drivers, KEGA and SDG. Okay, so we go to the research domain. Walaupun this talk is on the ICT, yang bahagian yang last kali ni, but you can see that the research domain can be from pure and applied sciences, technology and engineering, clinical and health sciences, social sciences, arts and applied arts, natural and cultural heritage, and last kali ialah ICT, information and communication technology. So let's say kalau ada yang tanyalah, if we are from faculty of computer science ataupun sekarang ni apa, pusat pengajian, bukan. Apa mana? Aduh, aku tak ingat lah nama fakulti, Kolej Pengajian Pengkomputeran Informatik dan Media. Sorry. Okay. So from there, kita tidak semestinya semuanya akan apply under research domain ICT. Depends on where your research itu menjurus ke arah mana kan. So it could be under maybe clinical and health sciences, it could be social sciences, maybe natural and cultural heritage. If you do something on natural and cultural heritage, you could have more impact on that rather than the ICT. Okay. Kemungkinan kalau salah tolong betulkan. Right. And then you have research clusters. Okay. So kita ada 6. Food safety and security, basic infrastructure, climate change and environment, health, education and knowledgeable civil society, national security, social and economic well-being, and frontier technologies and advanced manufacturing. So if you are working under ICT, most likely kalau more on the technology, we could go under frontier technologies and advanced manufacturing. Or if you do something on health, you might go do this under health. Kalau ada yang buat food safety, it depends on what your research will impacted on these clusters. Right. Then we go on to the pemacu science and technology, the 1010 my STIE 1010 ni. So you have the science and technology drivers, ada dekat sini ada 10. So depends on where your areas are, you can choose from 5G, 6G, teknologi sensor, percetakan 4D, 5D, bahan termaju, sistem kecerdasan termaju, ni AI, advanced AI, keselamatan cyber and enkripsi, augmentasi analitik dan penerokaan data, blockchain, neurotechnology and technology bioscience. So in our area, ICT ni memang banyak boleh masuk di dalam mana-mana yang ada dekat sini. Okay. Some are working on like IoT, can do under technology sensor. Those working on AI, boleh masuk bawah AI, advanced AI yang buat under security. Okay. Bawah keselamatan cyber. And then ada data analytics, big data boleh masuk sini. Blockchain. Banyak kan. So for ICT you can see so many pemacu science and technology is here. Banyak choices that you can go into. Right? Then we look at the socio-economic drivers. Ada 10 juga. So sebab tu panggil 10-10 kan. So look at your science and technology. Now we look at the socio-economic. So yang di mana our research itu akan impact this area. Okay, which area that are you doing? Sama ada energi, tenaga, perkhidmatan perniagaan dan keuangan, okay, kebudayaan, kesenian dan pelancongan. So kalau yang tadi yang buat heritage, cultural heritage mungkin boleh masuk di sini. Medicine, perubatan dan penjagaan kesihatan, teknologi dan sistem pintar, bandar pintar, smart cities, air dan makanan, pertanian dan perhutanan, pendidikan dan juga alam sekitar dan biodiversity. So ada vast area of socio-economic drivers yang kita boleh pilih daripada sini, and look at how your research will impact, or di mana your research itu akan menyentuh lah kan, akan memberi sumbangan di dalam socio-ekonomi ini. Okay, so this is really important that you think about. Walaupun this is a fundamental research, but we need to identify dah siapakah yang akan mendapat manfaat daripada your research. Okay. So kalau dilihat dia punya mapping ni, that you have to choose, like you don't have to choose one. We can have one. Okay. For example, yours is okay, mine. Mine is under maybe cybersecurity and encryption, and dia punya socio-economic drivers will be smart technology and systems for next generation. Okay, manufacturing. So I can map with cybersecurity and this smart technology, for example lah kan. Right. So that's it. And then we look at the shared prosperity vision, wawasan kemakmuran bersama 2030, that we need to look at the key economic growth activities, the KEGA ni, bahagian ni, KEGA, yang mana KEGA have 15 economic growth activities. So we need to identify which one that our research is contributing to. Okay, so KEGA 1 is the Islamic Finance Hub. Okay, KEGA 2 is Digital Economy. KEGA 3 is Industrial Revolution 4.0. KEGA 4 is what? Content industry. Halal and food hub. KEGA 6, 7 is Commodity Malaysia 2.0, Logistic Transportation and Sustainable Mobility, ASEAN Hub, Coastal and Maritime Economy, banyak Centers of Excellence, Renewable Energy, Smart and High Value Agriculture, Advanced and Modern Services, Green Economy, Malaysia Truly Asia. So, carilah di mana yang your proposal or your research will benefit, okay, in which key economic growth activity yang diberi di sini di dalam plan wawasan kemakmuran bersama 2030. Okay, and then SDG, okay, also need to be clarified ataupun identify di mana di bawah ada 17 the sustainable development goals ini. Okay, for example, which one that your research will touch on? Is it the number 1, the no poverty punya, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure? Kalau ikutkan my research, my STIE 1010 yang saya letak, contohnya apa tadi, cyber security dengan smart technology. So maybe I would go into this lah, number 9 ni, industry, innovation and infrastructure. You can have reduced inequality, okay, jurang apa tak tahulah, jurang kemiskinan ke, jurang digital divide ke, ni inequalities ni, ataupun gender inequalities. kat sini ada dah. Gender equality number 5. Sustainable cities and communities. Ada juga ni macam dekat dalam KEGA tadi pun ada. Okay, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land. So ini banyak lah. Okay, dari laut, darat, udara semua ada lah kan. Climate tu mungkin persekitaran, peace, justice and strong institution, partnership for the goals. Okay. So kita tengok kepada proposal. Terus pada proposal. So our proposal will be evaluated by the dalaman dulu di dalam universiti di UiTM, and then followed by the Ministry of Higher Education. So akan pergi ke peringkat kementerian lah. Jadi ada 2 di situ di peringkat universiti. Kalau kita mungkin di peringkat jabatan pun boleh buat dulu kan. And then hantar ke peringkat universiti dan terus ke MOHE. Alright. And the measures for the quality proposal adalah mengikut section yang telah diberikan, iaitu ada title, executive summary, you have a clear problem statement, and you provide scientific background, good selection of research methods, and then realistic budget and schedule, deals with problem solving and at the fundamental level. So kalau it is found that your research is not fundamental, it will be rejected. Kalau most of the yang tak berjaya tu biasanya akan dapat, oh, your research is applied and not fundamental. So itulah research the writing of the proposal is good, but the problem that you want to solve is not at the fundamental level. So kita kena lihatlah. Usually if you are doing PhD or your students doing PhD, semestinya akan ada fundamental research, because PhD that you need to contribute to the knowledge kan, original contribution to the knowledge, and that itself is fundamental lah. Okay. So di dalam my grant, for this FRGS scheme, so we have 9 criteria ataupun 9 sections that you need to look at. Okay. So setiap ni ada markah dia. They have marks for all these sections. Okay. Like title 5%. Okay. And then number 2 is executive summary is 10%. Research background is 15%. Objective 15%, walaupun objektif tidaklah banyak kan. But it comprises 15%. Methodology is 25%. Expected result, track records and composition of team. Quality of proposal, element of FRGS criteria. Nanti saya tunjukkan dia punya markah-markah dia tu lah. Okay, so in the end, if you get scores of 90 above, kira bagus lah, very very good lah, and but basically maybe we are looking at more than 80 kot, 80%. Alright, so for title ni 5%. Okay, what do you need in a title? Okay, title ni must be specific in nature, reflecting fundamental issues to be resolved. Okay, mesti brief and reflects the content of the proposal. Okay, kalau title bagus tapi content tak bagus pula, Masalah kan, tak ada kena-mengena pula dengan, nampak macam fundamental tapi tengok content tak betul juga. Okay, so mesti tally lah with your content and your title. Okay, seboleh-bolehnya, so ini yang do's, yang do's. Okay, include output ataupun contribution. What will be the output for the proposal? Okay, and then apa method yang you gunakan, and also what is the application domain, dekat mana yang nak apply that contribution tu. So kalau boleh lah kan, you include all these three. Okay, so number of words ini debatable lah. Okay, some says kalau within 15 words tu good. Okay, so bilang lah, jangan lebih daripada 15 perkataan. Jangan lebih daripada 20, 30 is too much lah. Kalau untuk title sampai 30 perkataan. Okay, so we can like go through some of the titles to ask ourselves kan, sama ada title ni bagus ke tak bagus. Okay, like okay, for number 1, contoh ni lah from ICT, secure aware multipath routing using atom search rider optimization algorithm in wireless sensor network. Okay, okay ke tak ni? Number 1 ni. Secure aware multipath routing. Okay. Does this look fundamental to you or not? Secure aware multipath routing using, maksudnya dia nak buat satu multipath routing yang secure aware. Okay, menggunakan atom search rider optimization. Ni ada semua dah ni. Dia ada output dia, ada method dia menggunakan rider optimization algorithm, and dia ada application domain dia di dalam wireless sensor network. So it looks like it has all the words ataupun contents yang sepatutnya. Okay, and then another question that you ask, adakah ini fundamental? Adakah secure aware multipath routing ni fundamental? Okay. Ada orang kata ni macam applied kan. Tak tahu lah, kena tanya Proliza. Okay. So inilah kalau di dalam kita punya nak memikirkan sama ada dia tu fundamental ke tak fundamental. This is the argument yang kita boleh tengok lah. Adakah perkataan ini, secure aware multipath routing ni is a fundamental thing or an applied thing? Okay. Itu satu saya tinggalkan dalam bentuk soalan. Number two, a collaborative user model using hybrid clustering recommended methods. Okay, yang ni dia nak buat model. Okay, model ni selalunya orang akan kata this is fundamental. Using hybrid clustering recommendation method. So dia ada bahagian method, dia tak ada bahagian application domain. Can we accept this or not? Okay. So kalau you nak improve this tajuk, this title, boleh masukkan apa application domain dia. Okay. Using hybrid clustering recommendation method in apa-apa lah for something. The third one, So yang ni macam ada missing lah kan, missing application domain. Okay, the third one is an enhanced method for software testing. Ni very brief. 246 aja perkataan dia. Okay. Method untuk software testing. Ini macam terlalu general kan. Dia tak ada dia kata contribution je dia ada. Enhanced method untuk software testing tapi tak beritahu what is the method, apa mungkin application domain dia software testing lah. Tapi dia tak ada method dekat sini. Okay.
Prof, sekejap Prof. Ada orang tak unmute ni. Minta Siti Musliha tolong mute. Siti Musliha minta tolong mute your mic. Tak dengar ke? Okay, okay, thank you Prof. We'll continue. Sorry.
Okay, so number 3 ni missing the what? The method lah. Method tu dia tulis enhanced method. So what method kan? Tak ada. So ni macam janganlah tulis macam ni. Ni akan reject lah ni. Tengok tajuk pun dah reject lah. Tak tengok dalam lah lagi. Right. Then number 4 is classification model of emotion and visual marker in YouTube video. This one looks nice. Okay. Dia nak keluarkan classification model of emotion and visual marker dalam YouTube video. Tetapi tak bagi tahu apa method dia tu. How do you classify? How do you do classification? Okay. Tu kalau eloknya ada dia punya method. Okay. And then number 5, long short-term memory technique for monthly rainfall prediction. So, you nak buat prediction menggunakan long short-term memory technique. Okay. Ada application dia, ada method dia. And then tak tahu apa dia punya contribution. So, ada teknik, ada method, ada application, tapi missing apa benda sebenarnya. Contribution dia tak ada dalam number 5 ni kan. Dia ada method, ada application but no output dia. So output dia adakah prediction? Adakah prediction ataupun apa? Kat sini. Dia nak tengok prediction lah, nak predict monthly rainfall. Menggunakan ni, adakah ini fundamental and what is it kan that you wanted to do this. Okay. So itu title. Right. So kalau kita lihat the winning FRGS titles for 2021, saya ambil lah 2021 dengan 2022, some lah daripada our faculty. Kalau dilihat di sini, kalau saya tengok banyaknya ialah yang ada model, ada macam numerical analysis, nampak macam fundamental kan. Okay, kita tengok the first one ni, formulation of a level set based selective segmentation model and its efficient numerical optimization algorithm for breast abnormality extraction in vector valued mammography image. So, dia quite long. Tapi dekat sini ada semua kan. Ada dia punya contribution, ada dia punya domain, ada dia punya methods. Okay, methods. Okay. Then number 2 ni, a numerical computational fluid dynamics CFD analysis on a bioconvection flow of nanofluids containing a pollutant dispersion gyrotactic microorganism in micropolar fluid. Okay, so dia nak buat numerical and CFD analysis. Okay, on this. Okay, so dia punya ni on the chemistry ke apa ni, tak tahulah kan. Okay, so next one ialah ada framework kat sini. Okay, Engineering Assistive Ambient Technology Framework for Malaysian Aging in, saya ni tak nampak sebab ada benda tu kat sini je. Aging in place using experience-based co-design method. Okay, so dia ada semua benda. And then framework ni nak menunjukkan dia punya fundamental tu. Next one is georeferencing model. Okay, model using weighted lexical method for non-geotech functional areas in Malay linguistic expression for urban planning. So the keyword kat sini model. Okay, and then the next one is a new technique to ensure high availability for software application services by utilizing fog devices for resource capability. Okay, contoh-contoh. Ini masih lagi 2021. Okay, another model. Okay, next one is another model. And then the next one is another model. So kalau you go for model, you will not go wrong lah. Dia macam model, framework, that will be part of it lah. So yang ni yang 2021 lagi sorry. 2021, model, framework, okay. Okay, this one is 2022, masih lagi ada model S2. Okay. Model untuk rainfall data modeling, and then model for solving resources acquisition. Okay, yang last kali tu saya pun tak faham. Interval neutral-sophic Wake Bonferroni mean operator with AHP D-metal and its application. So mungkin dia ada kat sini mean operator ni kot. Yang dia punya keyword dekat sini yang menunjukkan dia tu adalah fundamental research. Okay, so that is the some of the examples of the winning FRGS titles. Ni saya ambil daripada UiTM lah from our ICT. Right, so next one is the keywords. Okay, so we need to choose the right keywords for our project or our title. Okay, so 3 to 5 keywords. It has to be unique. Kalau boleh it ada dah kataan-kataan di dalam title tadi tu sebagai keyword dia. Okay, and use the more popular keywords. Okay, jangan gunakan keyword tu adalah contohnya you buat satu namakan a short form for your algorithm katalah. Algorithm ABCD. So you want to put ABCD as the keyword. Tak perlulah kan. So tak perlu. You get the more popular keywords in your area. Contohnya tadi katalah optimization. You do optimization ataupun classification ataupun prediction. Yang ada tadi prediction kan. You can put all those popular keywords in your keyword section. Yang mana tak banyak pun. Okay. And then we go on to the team. Okay, to the team. Okay, for FRGS, kita boleh ada maximum of 5 members and a minimum of 2. Okay, dia tak boleh seorang je. Okay, kena at least 2 orang. Ahli, maximum 5. Okay, kalau LRGS, you can have up to 8 members. Okay. Di dalam members punya composition, you need to look at the project leader juga. apa dia punya rank dia, dia mesti daripada permanent staff, okay. Research duration ni berapa lama dah dia berkecimpung di dalam research lah kan, kena ada some track record of doing research, at least ada research dalaman ke sebagai ketua, then it will show that you can do or you can manage the research, okay. And also the research team, kalau boleh you have a well-balanced team. Okay, kalau if you are DM52, you can have a team from DM54 or professor masuk kan sekali. Ataupun kalau ada yang junior lecturer lagi ada ke DM45. Okay, kalau ada lah kan. So, they want to look at your composition of the team tu well balanced lah. Tidaklah maknanya semua junior researchers kan. Kalau di M52 semua di M52, tak ambil pun katakan profesor seorang ke ataupun profesor madya seorang. Okay, so nak tengok macam tu lah. Kalau project leader di profesor, dia nak tengok if you have profesor madya kat bawah ataupun senior lecturer also included in your team. Okay, and then for the project leader, kena tunjukkan the current and previous projects. So kena ada lah, tak boleh tak ada. Okay. And if you already have a current FRGS, it must be more than 75%. And also you have to update lah your profile kan. Your profile, your publication, all your research tu kena update. Okay, up to the year. Kalau for next year, 2023, so you have to include all your previous research and publication until 2022. Kalau masa tulis tu 2023 ada lagi paper that you have published, then you have to include that. You update your profile. Okay. So dia tak automatically update for you. You have to update it yourself. Okay, di dalam Migrant. Okay, then we go to executive summary. Executive summary is 10%. Okay, 10%. Okay. Dia adalah, kalau kita tulis paper, dia adalah abstract lah. This is an informative abstract. Yang mana it has to consist of background of the problem, objective, method, expected output, implications, ataupun significance of the output. Kena masukkan semualah kenyataan-kenyataan yang kalau boleh masukkan the impact to the society lah, KEGA lah, my STIE 1010 tu, you can put in the executive summary. So no citation, no subheadings, okay. So tak payah nak letak references lah kat situ sini dalam executive summary. Kalau boleh satu paragraph kalau boleh. Concise and compact, okay. Abbreviation kalau lah perlu gunakan. If you really need to use abbreviation in your executive summary, define it. Maknanya tulislah yang panjang tu the first time that you use it in the executive summary. Kalau eloknya tak perlu ada. But then if you are using some, then define it when you use it the first time. Okay, that will be 10% of the proposal punya mark. Okay. Then we go on to research background. How do you write the research background? So, research background ni basically you want to elaborate on your title. Apa your title is about tadi tu. that what are you going to do, apa masalah dia, okay, the clarity of problem statement and research question, okay, apa yang you punya problem ni mesti clear, okay, you must you must write it clearly lah, apa masalah dia and apa persoalan untuk buat research ini, okay. And di bawah dia mesti ada references, okay. Di bawah research background tu nanti ada references, and the citation must be the most recent one, that should be the last 5 years. Kecuali you can cite the yang lama, dengan syarat dia adalah a major contribution to that research background. Okay, contohnya you ada satu communication theory 1957 ke 1962, boleh lah. Okay, itu teori yang orang tu dah gunakan dan semua orang masih gunakan pada masa sekarang, boleh pakai. Okay. And then your research background must be in line with apa yang kita sebut tadi, 10-10 My STIE, wawasan kemakmuran bersama tu, dengan KEGA and SDG goals. Okay. So ini sahaja akan ambil 15%. And then we go on to the objective. Your objective must be, ini biasa ni kan, yang SMART, okay, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and within time frame. Okay, objektif tu tak boleh lah nak capai zero hunger in 3 years, mungkin lah tak sempat, tak realistic kan, the time frame tu. And then it must relate to your problem statement and also your research question. Okay, jangan objektif tulis problem lain, objektif pergi ke lain pula. So it has to be related to your problem statement and also what are the research question. Okay, kalau you nak tanya soalan ini, you objektif kena menjawab soalan itu. You cannot go far away from your problem. Okay. Itu pun 15%. Then you have to write your methodology. Ini yang besar lah dia punya markah dekat sini. Because this is the heart and soul of a research is the methodology. Kalau you punya student buat PhD pun, the methodology is the most important part of the journey kan. Okay, so you have to describe lah in detail, okay, clear and detailed description of the methodology. Maknanya when people read your methodology, they can imagine how the research will be done. Okay. So describe how work is to be carried out to achieve research objective. So bila orang baca tu, oh macam ni cara buat dia. Okay, nak kena, okay, how do you collect your data kan? Siapa yang nak jumpa ataupun data tu dah available. So you have to describe lah data apa yang nak guna, berapa banyak. Research design, flowchart, Gantt chart and milestone. Okay, so yang ni pun termasuk di dalam the methodology, the Gantt chart and the milestone. So setiap 6 bulan seelok-eloknya lah that you put your milestone. Okay, itu methodology. Then you have expected results punya section, 10 markah kat sini. Okay. So you have to show that a new theory or new findings or knowledge yang will be expected from your proposal. Okay, apa dia new theory? Apa dia new finding? Ni macam kalau kita dah buat benda ni kan, for our student, PhD student, Memang bahagialah. Memang nampak jalan terus dia nak buat PhD tu. Kalau benda ni clear. Right. And then you have to also include apa publication yang you will produce from this. Okay. Dalam index journal. Tak payah apa ni kata letak terlalu tinggi, kan? Jangan kata, oh saya nak buat sampai 10 Q1 paper. Tak perlu, tak perlu. Nanti susah hati you nanti, kan? Maybe satu publication dalam Scopus ataupun dua will be good. Okay. And then if you have plan for intellectual property like patent ataupun copyright or anything that will be coming out from the proposal must be written in there lah. Okay. And then the third one ialah pasal talent. Okay. So masters or PhD. Okay. Kalau masters usually 2 years. The duration of the research. For PhD will be 3 years. Okay. And if possible you tulis that kalau dah ada calon untuk yang buat this project, that will be even better, kan? And then the last one ialah on the impact on the society, economy and the nation. So ini 4 perkara yang perlu dimasukkanlah di dalam expected results. Tak panjang tetapi all the information should be there. So untuk yang tadi tu, track record and composition of team, ada markah dia, 5 markah dia. So kena ada evidence of previous successful research project. Tu termasuklah dalam markah tu. Qualification and rank of researchers and also well-balanced team. Okay, kalau you ada semua, ada profesor Madya, senior lecturer and then lecturer biasa DM 45, then itu akan dapat full mark well-balanced team lah, kan? Kalau tak, mungkin markah kurang sikit kat situ. Okay. And then quality of proposal. So your proposal must be written, must be meticulous lah. Okay, jangan, kalau boleh proofread, ada orang lain tolong baca English. Nak tulis bahasa Melayu pun boleh, nak tulis bahasa Inggeris pun boleh. It's okay. Okay, dia tak semestinya tulis dalam bahasa Inggeris. If you write in Malay pun okay. But it has to be meticulous. Maknanya you tidaklah tulis in a hurry. Okay. Maknanya you dah thought out clearly, okay, on your writing tu. Okay. And proper use of language, grammar, spelling, sentence construction, okay, must be good. Okay, kalau perlukan proofreading, tolonglah ambil apa ni, somebody from APB ke, tolong bacakan you punya proposal. If you think your English is not good, okay, grammar tunggal langgang ke, okay, boleh minta tolong daripada sesiapa. Alright, and then good formatting and presentation. Mungkin Renew kot boleh tolong ni. Boleh minta tolong daripada Renew ke RMC untuk bantu cantikkan your proposal, ayat-ayat di dalam tu, kan. Sometimes some people have some good idea, but to write it clearly tu tak pandai. Tak pandai nak buat ayat dia tu. Tapi idea bagus. Cuma nak tulis tu tak pandai. So need some help jugalah in writing a quality proposal. Okay. And elements of FRGS criteria, dia nak kena ada yang ni, ada juga markah dia 5%. We need to have a novel, cutting edge research and also high impact. So kena tunjukkanlah in your writing tu how your proposal will impact the society. Okay. Apa impact dia kepada society? Lagi ramai yang orang dapat manfaat daripada research tu, lagi baguslah, lagi high lah your impact. Okay. Then we have a section on patent search. Yang ni ada 2% markah dia. Collaboration also 2% and risk assessment 1%. So you can go to buatlah search on the ni patent ni and then give the result. Kalau boleh patent, it depends on your keyword tadi tu. Apa yang you nak search tu, yang kena-mengena. Mungkin you boleh tengok dulu. Some mungkin first time tu tak sesuai keyword yang digunakan, mungkin tak dapat the desired result for the patent. So you boleh tengok change the keywords yang lebih dekat lah dengan your research. Okay. Usually we want to look at the patent that is growing lah. Maknanya the area tu orang tengah buat, bukan yang dah menurun. Maknanya patent, kalau you tengok 5 years back, kalau patent tu dah banyak, dah tahun katalah 2015 banyak, and then dia menurun sampai 2021 tak ada. Contohnya kan, 2020 dah tak ada, 21 tak ada, 22 tak ada. Then it shows that your research may be dah lama, ataupun orang dah, the technology has mature or something like that lah. So what they want to see is the growing punya area yang boleh lagi dijalankan lah, research ni akan berkembang lah. Contoh macam tu. Collaboration also 2%. So you need to collaborate with some industry ke ataupun agency mana-mana yang terlibat di dalam, yang sesuai dengan your research. Okay, must have that collaboration 2%. And also risk assessment kena isi 1%. Okay, so habis bahagian itu, so we look at the literature review. So literature review tadi tak sebut lagi kan. So it is an elaboration of the title, overview of main research area, and overview of main theories, models, problems dalam your area of research, and you put the broad foundation of the problem. Okay, so ni dah sebut tadi, citation is the last 5 years for related references, and it must be in line dengan government policy, national agenda and global aspiration. Yo ni. So look at the summary of your proposal. Okay, so you have the research deliverables. Okay, apa dia yang your hasil tu dalam bentuk apa? Adakah dia framework, tadi kita katakan model tadi kan? Okay, adakah dia diagnostic tool, adakah dia sistem database, okay, dan sebagainya. Equipment ini adalah apa yang you nak deliver. You have to identify. Okay, so in my presentation tadi kan dah tunjukkan the winning FRGS titles tu. Okay, most of it ada model kan, model, framework. Okay, and then dia punya if you can get out a policy paper, that will be really good lah. Okay, and then the scholarly output kena ada postgraduate, itu PhD or masters. You have research publication. Okay, kalau saya letak 2 je lah. okay, for research publication. And then the IP, okay, intellectual property, some other you can have apa benda ni, patent ataupun copyright. Okay. For ICT lah kan. And then the impact kepada quintuple helix ni. So ada society, academia, industry, government, and also if you have other impact on the environment, that will be really, really good lah. Okay, for the proposal. Okay, so ini ulang balik yang tadi. Okay, so melihat kepada quality of proposal again, it has to be meticulous, use of good language, English or Malay. Okay, formatting and presentation must be good. Okay, and similarity index not more than 20-30% lah. Okay. And then it has to be novel, cutting edge, high impact, and also if it is an existing application, you can ask whether it can be used in a new way. So budget, okay, if you go to the budget, yang banyak sekali kalau kita nak tengok dekat budget, dekat vote 11,000 tu lah salary and wages untuk kita punya GRA. Okay. So PhD and Masters. Ini ada dia punya apa ni, garis panduan ni kan. So budget not more than 250,000 altogether. So you can have you have to put in all the budget inside here that needs to help you to undertake or do your research. So kalau ada data collection, ada perjumpaan meeting dengan other members of the research team, boleh masukkan kat situ. Conferences, boleh lodging, food, transportation. And then kalau ada equipment rental 24,000 ataupun 27,000 ialah on research materials and supplies. 28,000 ialah maintenance and minor repair. Kalau ada lah kan. Selalunya untuk ICT ni you can rent kalau contoh you nak ada platform AWS ke Google ke, to rental, boleh masuk dekat situ. 29,000 professional services ni nak bayar honorarium, consultation, training, fees untuk conferences masuk di bawah 29,000. And then if you have to buy equipment, okay, masukkan di bawah 35,000. Okay. Alright. So ni contoh patent search. Kita tunjukkanlah apa keywords that we have used, and then you have to give the link to the search results. Okay, dia punya website dia dekat http://lens.org ni lah. So you can search your keywords there and look at the patents yang dah ada dekat situ dan tengok siapakah pemain-pemain di dalam your area research. Dialah all those companies, big companies yang dah apply ataupun dah di granted dia punya patent. Okay, and patent search, research collaborator yang tadi kan masuk, sama ada dia adalah dari industri ataupun agency. Okay, boleh. International or national industry partners ataupun agency or organisation. Okay, and then you have to identify your risk for this. Okay. low, medium, high, apa risk dia dari segi technical, timing and budget. Kalau tak dapat budget tu, adakah tak boleh jalan? Kalau contohnya, you really need apa yang you really need? Kalau tak ada tak boleh jalan, kan? Contoh orang daripada kimia dia nak beli bahan-bahan dia tu, kalau tak ada memang tak boleh buat lah research tu kan. Kalau orang komputer tak ada komputer memang tak boleh buat lah. Tapi sekarang ni that is not fair kan? Not fair that you assume that everybody has a computer. Tapi if you are doing contohnya memang memerlukan very high spec punya komputer, you have to bagi tahulah dekat situ. Maknanya kalau tak dapat juga bajet tu tak jalan. Tu adalah high lah dia punya risk. Dan seterusnya. Timing selalunya kalau kita tulis 3 tahun tu timing should be low lah kan. On the technical side, kalau tak cukup orang yang ada technical ni, you tengok sama ada low or medium. Dia tak boleh lah you nak bagi risk dia terlalu tinggi kat situ. So I finish my presentation kat sini, but later I want to share on the migrant form tu. Okay, I will show you a little bit on that. But kita sama-sama doa lah untuk mohon kejayaan lah pada apa yang kita buat ni. Mohon petunjuk pada Allah. Rabbana atina min ladunka rahmah wa hayyi lana min amrina rasyada. Yang maksudnya, ya Tuhan kami, berilah kami rahmat dari sisimu dan sediakanlah petunjuk untuk kami dalam menyelesaikan urusan kami. Semoga Allah Ta'ala kabulkanlah segala doa-doa kita. Sebabnya tanpa hidayah dan juga pertolongan daripada Allah ni tak dapat kita kan nak tulis, nak dapat idea and how to write a good proposal, insyaAllah. Okay, so I finished the presentation, Dr. Hadi. I will stop sharing this one.
Prof, kita nak go for question answer a few sekarang ke? Nak tunggu sampai habis?
Dah ada soalan ke?
Ada satu ni yang daripada Dr. Lucy Lucianti.
Ya.
Salam Prof, if the current project does not related to the proposed FRGS, will that be a rejection factor?
If mana saya tak nampak dia punya. Ada dekat dalam chat ke?
Chat at the bottom last yang
If the current project does not related to the proposed FRGS, what do you mean by not related to the proposed FRGS?
Dr. Lucy ada, boleh unmute, boleh tanya direct ke Prof?
Saya tak faham sikit tu. Apa maksud does not related tu? Maksudnya tak ada dalam dia punya call tu ke? Tajuk dia?
Tak, maksudnya for example my current grant that I lead tu, dia is totally different. It's on image processing for example.
Oh, okay. Tu maksud dia. Tak semestinya. Tapi kalau related, maknanya markah dia tu lagi tinggi lah. Lagi nampak lah kan. Kalau tak related, tak semestinya dia boleh jadi rejection factor lah. Sebab ada banyak lagi tempat-tempat lain kan. Mungkin your assessor tu mungkin bagi markah rendah sikit, but that will not be a rejection factor, not outright reject lah. You dah ada research, but not totally related. Tapi masih lagi dalam, contohnya dalam ICT, then it's okay lah kan? Dia bukannya dari bidang yang berlainan katakan. Masih lagi dalam bidang yang sama kan. Cuma tajuk je. Your tajuk tu mungkin luas sikit daripada apa yang you nak propose. No, it's okay. You can have, I can change my my area of research, kan? Tak semestinya tak boleh tukar. I can change as long as I have the background of study of how to do it. Then why not, kan? And depending on the problem yang tengah hot sekarang ni. Contohnya kan, orang duk cerita pasal data analytics, prediction, then why not, kan? Tak boleh dengan nak kata, you bukan buat statistics pun, you mana pandai buat data analytics. Tak boleh lah, semua benda boleh belajar, kan? So it doesn't mean that you have not done that kind of research that you cannot have a research grant on other topic. Tak semestinya. But you have to show that dia taklah terlalu teruk sangat dia punya apa ni, the difference in area tu tak jauh lah, maknanya you bukanlah orang kata orang biologi ke tiba-tiba nak buat something network contohnya, kan. Itulah.
Okay, Prof. Terima kasih.
Maybe in the meanwhile, ada sesiapa lagi yang nak boleh tanya direct pun, Prof? Kita bagi masa sikit boleh, Prof? Kalau tanya related yang the first section yang Prof presented tadi. Ada sesiapa boleh unmute dan ask kalau ada lah.
Kalau tak ada, nanti saya boleh share ni dulu.
Alright, okay. In the meanwhile, boleh share.
Sambil-sambil tu. Alright, so kita terus ke application form Okay. FRGS application form, okay. So bila you masukkan tu, ini dah siap lah. Maksudnya, okay, you have the title, kan? Suruh masukkan title. Mula-mula dia suruh pilih the FRGS punya session tu. Belum buka lagi yang baru, Dr. Hadi? 23 belum buka lagi, kan? Tapi you can do the
draft, ada draft.
Draft dululah. Nanti kemudian baru masukkan. Okay, but you can put in your title. Okay. Contohnya, okay, title ni saya punya lah, kan. Banyaklah dia punya kelemahan dia, tapi yang ni berjaya lah dapat. Nanti saya bagi tahu apa kelemahan-kelemahan yang ada dekat dalam ni. Okay. So title dia, saya dalam bidang network. Yang ni ialah berkenaan dengan fork devices ni. Tapi kita nak buat satu teknik yang to ensure high availability of software application. Dia dekat dalam server tu. Okay, software application tu kita nak make sure dia available most of the time lah. Kalau ikutkan, kalau 5 star tu 99.99959 tu percent of the time can be available. Okay, menggunakan fork devices resource capability. So your title ni kena specific and reflect fundamental issues. So ada include output, method and application domain. Okay. So boleh tengok kat sini, ini output dia ialah new teknik ni lah. Okay. Method dia ni fork device resource capability. Dia punya itulah application domain dia dekat situ. Alright, then ada 3 keywords kat sini. High availability. So dia dalam tajuk ni saya ambil dia punya keywords. Fork computing. Sebab sini ada fork. And then middleware. Middleware tak tunjuk kat sini tapi menunjukkan benda ni adalah middleware lah. Okay, so isikan your data ni duduk dalam kita punya profile ni. Dia akan keluar automatically. Okay, so you have to update your profile. Okay. Then kita tengok pasal the research domain that you have to choose. Okay. ICT, mine is ICT, and then sub research domain adalah computer networks, and research cluster masuk bawah national security lah. Okay. And then 1010 my STIE di bawah smart technology and systems. Okay, next generation engineering and manufacturing. Shared prosperity vision, KEGA 14, advanced and modern services. SDG 9, okay, industry innovation and infrastructure. Location of research is UiTM, okay, tarikh dia. Okay, and then profile, update semua. Ahli-ahli pun kena update profile. Okay. So dalam ni saya punya projek ni ada 5 orang members. So PI-nya adalah profesor saya. And then ada 1 associate professor di sini. Okay, and then ada 2 senior lecturer and ada seorang yang DM45. Okay, lecturer. So memang sengaja memilih supaya nampak apa ni, the composition of team tu ada di semua level lah. Okay, dan sebolehnya nak tunjuk so that if the PI tu professor, dia boleh train lah all the others. Okay, and then research project yang telah completed, okay, ada yang in progress, dia nak tengok ni the last 3 years. Okay, so the last 3 years. Okay, so dia akan keluar, yang ni auto ni keluar daripada kita, our profile tadi. Okay, so di sini ada tak banyak ya, ada 5 je projek dekat sini. Semua in progress. Sebab dia nak tengok last 3 years kan. And then publication also, please update your profile untuk publication. Saya punya ni last kali. So saya apply tahun 2021. So this was the last publication yang ada dekat situ lah. Okay. So kalau tengok tak semua pun yang berkenaan or related to the tajuk yang saya propose tu kan. Okay. Kalau tengok tajuk projek ni tadi Dr. Lucy, dia tak sama lah. Dia macam, saya banyak buat watermarking before this. Okay. So dia different lah sedikit daripada tu. Okay. Now it's about the executive summary. Executive summary. So dia dah tulis lah kat sini kan. Please include the problem statement, objective, research methodology, expected outcome, output, and significance of output from the research project. So, okay. Ini kalau tengok kat sini, okay, you have all the The first one ni adalah background dia. Okay, data and service are interrelated with blah blah blah, ranging from this, and these applications are dependent on internet connectivity which may be prone to unexpected interruption. So ini background of the problem. And then masuk ke masalah dia. Problem dia, okay, dekat 2 ayat ni. 2 ayat ni, interruption can occur due to software failures, blah blah blah, causing daily task. Ni lah, bagi tahulah apa masalah dia kan. And then terus kepada objektif. So thus the purpose of this study is to provide mechanism by a middleware for reducing the downtime of software application. Bagi tahulah apa objektif dia. So buat ayat dia kat situ. And then methodology, okay. So bagi tahulah apa yang kita kena buat. Okay. and so on. And next ialah the expected outcome or output. Okay, bagi tahu the outcome of the study will reduce apa-apa, expand mean time between failures to meet the service level agreement of this, and bagi tahu juga dia akan benefit governmental and non-governmental institution to increase productivity and reduce loss as a result of downtime. And then yang last kali ni, this research falls under smart technology system, bla bla bla. Tapi boleh improve lagi lah. Saya tak bagi tahu kat sini kan. Impact referring to KEGA and SDG. So boleh improve lagi dekat ayat yang bawah ni. Okay. Then you write your problem statement in a few ni paragraph. Okay. Ada references dia. Okay, dekat atas ni tak ada citation. Okay, dekat summary. Dekat research background, okay, then you can start to have your citation lah. Okay. Tahu dia punya apa problem dia. Hypothesis tak ada, not applicable kat sini. Research question, bolehlah tulis apa persoalan-persoalan yang berkenaan dengan your research. Okay. So selalunya start dengan what, why, how. Okay. Itu adalah research question lah. Then you go on to literature review. Okay. Tulislah sikit. Literature review and relevance to government policy if any. Okay, so tulis, kalau contoh saya ni, tulis the outcome of the research will benefit all governmental and non-governmental institution to increase productivity and reduce loss as a result of improved system downtime. And then tulis je lah, research falls under apa-apa-apa. Okay. And cybersecurity is one of the big issue for any nation. This research will help to reduce downtime if such incident occurs. So, lebih kurang macam tu. So, references. Okay, tengok dia punya ni about berapa 20 references. Okay, within 5 years. Okay, and then objective. Semuanya start dengan to lah. Okay, to what? To improve heartbeat failure, to develop, to formulate, to evaluate. Okay. And then methodology, bagi tahu setiap fasa kalau ada fasa lah. Okay. Ini phase 1 ialah preliminary analysis. Development of failure observation tool, log file analysis, and then phase 2 ada ialah the technique development, phase 3 observation of downtime, bagi tahulah apa yang you nak buat, analysis, and phase 5 validation. Okay, so tak panjang sangat, but it has to be enough to people to understand. Okay, and then you give your flowchart. Okay, kat sini flowchart of activity ni macam boleh klik lah sini, tak boleh. Right, then you will do your activities, apa benda yang nak kena buat, bila tarikh-tarikh dia. Okay, you have to plan, do this Gantt chart, and then what's this? Cumulative project completion percentage. Okay, so your milestone lah ni milestone. Setiap milestone tu you tulis lah berapa persen of the accumulation project completion. And bila date tu. Biasanya kena tally dengan apa yang ada dekat atas ni. Right? So, dia akan generate this Gantt chart. Okay. And then bahagian novel theories ni bagi tahu apa dia. So new technique to reduce downtime and promote high availability of service. And impact statement. Okay, impact statement. Macam mana cara tulis dia? The outcome of the research will benefit siapa? Governmental, non-governmental institution. Untuk apa? Increase productivity, reduce loss. Okay. As a result of improve. Okay. And then bagi tahulah, masuklah ayat yang my STIE 1010 tu dengan SDG. Okay. Okay, research publication. Sebab dia tulis kat sini, each proposal must produce at least 2 papers. So, saya pun tulis 2 je lah. Paper, okay, 1 Scopus, 1 WOS. Okay, kalau ni tulis 2 Q1 lah. Mungkin ada 1 lah. Okay, 1 lagi on the way. Right? And then specific or potential application, kena tulis kat sini apa dia. 1 ialah failure observation 2 fault device. Okay, so total number of application ada 2. Okay, PhD students. Okay, total number of PhD 1. Okay, total number of master tak ada. Okay, remark if any, saya letak kat sini, a student is ready to undertake this project. PhD title dia ini. Okay, saya dah letak dah dekat sini. Okay, kalau ada, boleh terus tulis kat sini. And the chances untuk dapat daripada orang yang tak ada student lagi tu, mungkin kalau you punya markah 85 ataupun 90, yang the other one pun 90. Tapi dia tak tulis kot, dia tak ada student. Orang yang ada student tu akan diberi priority lah. Kan? Kalau duit ada 100,000 je tinggal ni. Nak pilih antara 2. Mana satu yang nak pilih? Pilih ni lah. Sebab ni dah ada dah student ni. Contoh dia macam tu. IP 1 ialah dia punya middleware ni lah. Mungkin tak tahu lagi patent ataupun copyright. Okay. So itulah the budget. Okay. Budget untuk sini dia dah tulis dah ni. Okay, berapa? Kalau master 2,000 sebulan. Okay, untuk 2 tahun. Kalau PhD 2,500 untuk 3 tahun. So, you kali je lah kan. PhD student ada 1, 2,500 kali 12 bulan, kali 3 tahun dan 90,000 dah pergi dekat GRA. Okay. So, journal page charges, okay, ada dekat sini 5,300. Tapi you kena tunjuk lah. You kena pergi dekat journal tu punya page, tengok dia punya charge APC dia berapa. And then you boleh ambil dia punya in ringgit Malaysia berapa kan. Ni kena you have to sertakan dengan bukti lah. Kenapa yang you minta 5,300 tu. Betul. And then accessory ini adalah vote 22,000 service cloud API ni untuk Google and Amazon AWS. Okay. So setiap tahun berapa. And then device. Okay. Device. Ni cadangan ni meminda vote kepada 27,000. Ni belum buat lagi ni. Okay, 3,400. So, total 105,300. Okay, so itu je untuk budget. Okay, and then patent search. Okay, so saya tulislah kat sini. Patent search using keywords security fog computing resulted in 14 patents application dari 2016 to 2020 tentunya. And then there are 3 patents granted, 2 from the US and 1 from Korea. So ni dia punya summary of the search lah. And then you kena letak lah kat situ the bukti of patent search. And then Research collaborator adalah ada satu industri yang buat ni. Dia memang involved in middleware development. Okay, contoh dia. And then risk assessment lah. So saya tulis je lah ni. Technical risk is low as we have berapa researcher from the network and security background with the help from kami Infotech that specialize on middleware. A PhD student is available. So technical tu adalah low. Timing is also regarded as low risk as the student is available and UiTM is the subject of study and data collection. Okay, so saya letak low juga. Budget is medium as the work will not be completed if there is not enough funding. So tak medium. So inilah contoh-contoh ayat-ayat yang boleh diletakkan di dalam proposal. Okay, so saya habis kat situ Dr. Hadi. So, kalau ada apa-apa soalan tambahan daripada ni.
Okay, thank you Prof. So the audience, siapa-siapa yang dekat, kalau referring to the chat box, tiada soalan tambahan lah. Jika ada soalan daripada floor, any audience nak ask directly to Prof, boleh unmute dan ask Prof lah directly.
Assalamualaikum, Prof.
Salam.
Saya nak tanya, untuk lecturer baru yang baru habis PhD dan ingin memohon grant FRGS, siapakah leader yang perlu dilantik, atau jika diri sendiri nak jadi leader, bagaimana dekat part current and previous project leader tu? Dan apakah potential untuk FRGS diterima jika semua ahli tu adalah new member?
Oh, tak bolehlah semua new member. Kena ada jugalah senior member di dalam tu yang saya sebut tadi kan. Dia nak tengok ada different group of team daripada team member tu lah. Kalau boleh you include lah yang senior sikit. Apa ni, grant dalaman tak pernah dapat? Ataupun you just join?
First time baru nak join.
Memang sebelum ni memang tak pernah buat tak pernah dapat grant?
Tak.
Okey, kalau ada you can include other team member yang lain lah yang lebih berpengalaman supaya you boleh tulis dekat risk tadi tu kan. You can, you tak salah untuk you apply. I mean dia tidaklah akan di reject. Tapi kalau you punya team semuanya orang baru yang tak ada langsung track record of research, then bahaya jugalah. Kan? Mungkin bukanlah bahaya, bukan bahaya apa, tapi nanti your evaluator tu tak nampak how this project can be successful. Macam tu lah, sebab tak ada semua orang tak ada track record kan.
Boleh saya tambah Prof? Boleh saya tambah? Just tambah.
Boleh.
Okay,
maksudnya kena cari leader yang berpengalaman lah.
Leader tak, you can be the leader, no problem. Tetapi you can add in other member yang berpengalaman supaya you boleh tulis nanti dekat risk tu. You boleh tulis lah walaupun you tak ada track record dalam research, tapi you have other members that have a good track record yang boleh menasihatkan your team. Okay, Dr. Hadi nak tambah.
Dia regarding to grant provider lah. Dia ada risk kalau you bagi yang with no experience, nanti adakah projek tu akan berjaya siap atau tak, tu dia risk yang dia akan consider daripada mohir lah kan. That's one thing. Mungkin kalau lah siapa, saya tak tahu siapa nama Cik ni kan. Nama
Cik
dia
Z.
Cik Z. Cik Z ni kalau dia ada senior member yang you dah ada senior yang ada experience, you can include them lah. Kalau you tak ada, you nak bantuan, this is where renew comes in lah. You tengok bidang apa you boleh contact kami. Kalau macam bidang ICT, you boleh contact saya. Kita akan link dengan suitable yang area Cik Z punya area lah.
Cik Ziri dari mana?
Saya daripada UiTM Dengkil.
Dengkil? Okey. Bolehlah tanya-tanya dari Shah Alam. Boleh include dari Shah Alam juga.
Kalau kita leader, maksudnya kalau previous project tu boleh ke kita isi masa zaman kita PhD punya project sebagai experience?
Boleh, cuma yang tu lah yang sebab yang dia track record yang previous tu dia tengok yang registered dengan sistem migrant tu kan. Yang tu yang automatic dia generate daripada situ dia kena
Dekat
yang tu yang
profile.
lama sikit lah.
You kena tulis dekat your profile tu.
Okay.
Tapi good, maknanya PhD baru habis PhD. Baguslah, maknanya you yourself have done the research kan. You tahu dah nak tulis macam mana. So boleh tulis. Kalau memang tak ada langsung sebelum pergi PhD tak pernah jadi ahli ke? Tak pernah?
Pernah lah zaman master dulu.
Boleh je lah tulis.
Boleh je, walaupun dah
Tapi dia nak yang the last 3 years sebenarnya yang keluar dekat sistem tu dia akan keluarkan the last 3 years. Kalau tak ada, dia tak keluar lah.
Okay.
Tapi assessor boleh pergi tengok dekat profile kan?
Boleh.
Okay. Thanks, Prof.
Carilah satu, at least seorang ke daripada yang dah ada Profesor Madya ke ataupun Profesor.
Okay.
Ada ramai je tu yang nak boleh bantu tu, insyaAllah.
Okay. Terima kasih, Prof.
Sama.
Okay, any question from the others?
Ainul Azila, saya nampak tu daripada Kelantan.
Ya, Prof, ada.
Kena tanya soalan.
Saya tanya soalan sama tadi. Kalau saya tak pernah ada grant sebelum ni kan, macam mana yang pengalaman tu. Tapi maksudnya kalau kita masukkan ahli-ahli yang dah berpengalaman, dia kira untuk yang tu sekali lah kan, Prof? Dia ambil sekali.
Dia ambil, cuma dekat dalam your application tadi, dia tak keluar yang ahli-ahli. Dia hanya keluar yang PI. Ketua je yang keluar. So, tak tahulah, kena bincang-bincang untuk strategik, untuk perancangan strategik ni, kalau rasa-rasa macam ahli-ahli, tapi saya tidaklah kata tak boleh. Boleh, banyak pun yang dah dapat. Yang dah dapat tapi tak ada pengalaman. Kalau you nak semua orang yang ada pengalaman, bila pula orang yang tak ada pengalaman ni nak dapat kan?
Itulah.
Boleh. Cuma the combination of team tu lah nak kena ada yang berpengalaman. Supaya you boleh justify. Yang nak tunjukkan sama ada this research can be done or not. Kan?
Sebab yang saya nak apply tu berkait dengan data mining, Prof lah jadi. Nak invite Prof lah.
Boleh. Invite, no problem. InsyaAllah.
Prof lah. Itulah. Dah
terjawab.
terjawab.
Kat sini. PM tepi.
Ya.
Alright. Ada lagi soalan lain? It is about the writing lah. Saya rasa in terms of ideas, we have ramai ni. There are lots of ideas kan. The most important thing is the writing lah. Saya pun banyak dibantu oleh assessor yang sebelum ni, ITM tu. Thank you lah, Renew punya inisiatif untuk buat that kind of session yang ada orang lain tolong improve our proposal tu, baguslah. Kan kita dapat orang luar daripada team kita tu baca and make sure they understand what we wanted to do. And then ayat tu dia boleh tolong murnikan. Okay.
Okay, any other question? Kita ada masa lagi lah.
Ni ramai yang berpengalaman dah ni kat sini ni. Ha. Nampak Dr. Shoes ada ni. Dr. Shoes Lina ni orang hebat-hebat ni. Boleh jadi boleh kalau siapa yang tak ada ahli-ahli yang berpengalaman tu boleh masuk kan. Dr. Azlan Ismail ada kat sini. Yang saya kenal kan. Tadi Prof Liza pun ada. Tu orang yang hebat-hebat lah tu. Yang minta mesti dapat punya lah. Boleh minta tolong. Okey, kalau tak ada.
Okay, Prof. Okay,
Yeah,
Prof.
thank you so much.
Kalau tak ada, kena saya boleh tutup lah kot. Okay, thank you Prof Jasni. Really eye opener lah to related to overall FRGS punya grant application, daripada grant background from the dia punya background and till the detail proposal preparation tu Prof. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prof. Thank you so much on behalf of the organizer, the Office of Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Research and Innovation. I would like to thank our guest speaker, Professor Technologist Dr. Jasni Mohamad Zain, and all the audience here for making this a wonderful program a success. So for now, thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you in future event. Okay, just would like to remind you, all interested FRGS applicant, all the sharing, semua kita punya webinar ada di UiTM TNCPI punya YouTube channel. Semua kita recorded. Kita ni dah the third one, and we're going to have another 7 if I'm not mistaken, untuk reference untuk semua. Okay, akhir sekali saya tutup program kita dengan tasbih kifarah dan surah Al-As.